Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Hey guys, I'm out actually working on a clog drain today, and we are using the Milwaukee M18 Drain Snake. Now this thing's pretty simple to work with. It's going to have about 35 foot of cable in it, and it's going to be the 5/16, so it's a little thicker so it can handle some bigger pipes. I actually use this on a 3-inch pipe today without any problem. You're usually going to use this more on a 2-inch pipe, but it will suffice if it is a small clog. Now how this is going to work is it has a clutch mechanism up in the front here, which you will clutch, and it has a reverse and forward key here, and of course your battery goes here. So it's actually very simple. I like the clutch because I can actually hold it, and I can even put this into a drain and just work it. So what's going to happen is when you start feeding it like this, if it starts hitting and clogging, you are going to play with the clutch to get it to engage or disengage a little bit, just so that you can get through that clog. And you're going to work your way all the way down as far as you can, and then you're going to pull it back. And when you pull it back, make sure your clutch is off. You're going to see a lock key here, and I'm going to try and push it back in. Now, technically it'll self-feed, but generally these are going to work better by hand feeding. Just like that, and get it all the way in and ready to go. Now, one quick tip is you keep a bucket nearby, especially if you're working in a home. When you pull this out, it is going to drip really bad, nasty stuff everywhere. So make sure you have a bucket so you can put it down in the bucket like this. Or if you don't have a bucket handy, use something like a box like that so you can move it around without making a huge mess in either someone else's home or your own home. So if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give it 5 stars because it's very heavy duty. I love the way it feels. I love the fact that it just gets in there and turns everything up, pulls it out. The portable part of this is fantastic. If you're underneath a house, you can actually crawl underneath with this and not lug a great big cleaner underneath there. And so you can clean out smaller areas very efficiently with this. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.